Hey y'all, today we're gonna be replacing my Honda's old grips. You can see that they're really worn out. Here, let me zoom in right there. They're really bad. They're just smooth here and there's a little bit here. This is what they should look like. Like that. So we're gonna be replacing it. You're gonna need some soapy water, or if you have an air compressor, that can work too. I mean, you can use WD-40, you can use just about anything, but I'm going to use soapy water in a spray bottle, right there. And if these really don't want to come off, I mean, I'll use the air compressor because I got one, but yeah. So I have these bar guards, whatever you call them, on it, so that'll take a 10mm socket right here. There it is, right in there. Set that aside. Now we got our grips, which I might have to cut them off. I mean, I don't know. They do not look like they're gonna want to come off. Yeah, I think I might have to cut them off a little bit. I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna have to cut them off. Because I don't think I can really stick an air compressor in there very well. Let's see how well they'll cut. If they can cut easy, I'll just cut them off. Come on. Okay, there we go. So we got the old grips off. And now with the new ones, close this knife real quick. Here are the new ones. So you just put them on like that, but that's going to be really hard, so I'm just going to use some soapy water. Hold up. Don't want to get... Just get it on. Okay. This is when I might want to use an air compressor. But... This... There we go. So now I'm just gonna put the bar protectors, whatever they're called, back on. Bam. So one down, one more to go. Same thing, just gonna take off the little bar and things. Man. So now, let's see if these come. Nope. So I think I'm just gonna cut them off. It's way easier than just turning on the air compressor. Okay. Okay, there we go. I mean, I didn't damage the bars too much. I mean, I'm really not worried about anything happening. So there's a small scratch right there, but I ain't a perfectionist. So here's the OEM Honda. Let me get that for you. There we go, right there. There's a part number if you're wanting it. But I'm gonna open this up. Don't cut the grip when you're taking it out. And there we go, it's right there. I'm just gonna stick it on there for a second. Okay, so sticky. So here it is. I'm just gonna put soapy water in it. I'm not gonna put it on the grip. I'm really not worried about it. Okay. Let me just see that. But I highly recommend soapy water. It works well, and it's not going to like leave residue how WD-40 does. Trust me, I've done it. Your grips are always going to be slippery for like a week or two. Even if you wipe it off with like a towel or something, it ain't going to be the same. So I'm just going to screw these bar ends on. There you go. That's how to install a grip on any ATV. Probably the best way to do it. Gonna let this water evaporate out. Your grips are gonna be a little bit slippery to start with, but it'll get all better when all the water evaporates. It'll stick down hard. So, like, subscribe. See y'all next time on Louisiana Rebel TV. Later.